Welcome to Alpha Review. Today, we aren't just looking at a vehicle, we are standing in the presence of a modernized icon. The Hummer H1 has always been the ultimate expression of automotive excess, a civilian-bred war machine that prioritizes presence over practicality and sheer capability over common sense. But what we have here is something different. This is a bespoke, frame-off restoration that takes the rugged DNA of the original M998 Humvee and elevates it into a luxury juggernaut. It's finished in a deep, lustrous metallic red that feels more like a piece of high-end jewelry than a tactical transport, and today, we're going to find out if this beast is still the king of the road. When you first walk up to this H1, the scale of it is genuinely difficult to process. It is wide, nearly 7 feet wide, and the lift kit on this specific build makes it tower over everything else in the parking lot. The red paint job is the first thing that hits you. In the sunlight, it has a liquid depth to it, a stark contrast to the matte tans and olive drabs we are used to seeing on these trucks. It signals immediately that this isn't a surplus vehicle anymore, it's a statement piece. The exterior retains all the functional hallmarks, the exposed rivets, the massive hood tie-downs, and that unmistakable vertical grille. But everything has been refined. The LED lighting conversion gives it a sharp, modern gaze, and those massive chrome wheels wrapped in heavy-duty all-terrain rubber give it a stance that says it could flatten a house and look good doing it. Moving around to the side, you notice the open-door configuration we've set up for the shoot. It reveals the sheer thickness of the B-pillars and the structural integrity that defines this platform. This is a vehicle built on a heavy-duty steel frame, designed to be dropped out of planes. Even with the luxury paint and the polished accents, that ruggedness is inescapable. The rear of the truck is equally imposing. The Hummer. Now, let's talk about that interior, because this is where the real transformation has happened. Stepping into an H1 is always an event. You don't just get in, you climb up and over a massive side sill. Once you're inside, the first thing you notice is the Great Wall of Hummer, the massive center tunnel that houses the drivetrain. Because the engine and transmission are tucked up high into the chassis for ground clearance, the driver and passenger are separated by about 3 feet of console. In the original military versions, this was bare metal and noise. Here, it's a masterclass in custom upholstery. We've gone with a deep black leather theme, accented by red contrast stitching to tie back to that striking exterior. The seats are high back buckets that offer far more support than the original flat benches. They're bolstered well, which you'll appreciate when you're leaning this thing over an obstacle off-road. The dashboard has been completely overhauled. We've moved away from the brittle plastic of the 90s and replaced it with a sleek, driver-centric cockpit. The gauge cluster is a beautiful array of analog dials, providing vital data on oil pressure, battery voltage, and transmission temp, everything you need to monitor when you're pushing a 7,000-pound truck to its limits. In the center stack, we've integrated a modern touchscreen infotainment system. It feels a bit surreal to see Apple CarPlay and high-definition navigation inside a vehicle that was originally designed to navigate by compass and stars, but it works. It brings a level of daily driver utility to the H1 that was previously unthinkable. Below that, the switchgear has been upgraded to heavy-duty tactile toggles. There's a satisfying clink every time you engage a light bar or lock a differential. The steering wheel is a chunky, leather-wrapped 3-spoke design that feels substantial in your hands. You need that leverage, because even with power steering, piloting an H1 requires a certain leave. Under the hood, which tilts forward in true military fashion, lies the heart of the beast. While the original H1s were often underpowered, this build features a heavily tuned Duramax turbodiesel V8. The torque is mountainous. When you bury your foot, there's a brief moment of turbo spool, and then the entire truck heaves forward with the kind of relentless momentum you usually associate with a freight train. It's not fast in the traditional sense, but it is unstoppable. The Allison transmission handles the shifts with a rugged smoothness, ensuring that power is always available, whether you're cruising at highway speeds or crawling through a rock garden. The driving experience is unlike anything else on 4 wheels. You sit so far to the left that you can practically reach out and touch the side mirror, yet you're looking across a vast expanse of hood. The visibility is actually better than you'd expect, thanks to the upright glass and the square corners, but you are always aware of your width. On narrow city streets, you don't just drive,